everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working in my mom's home, specifically her living room. It's just her here by herself, so she kind of has everything to do, and I love to come. I come about once a week. She lives about 40 miles away from me, and I like to help her do things around her home, and we go and visit my dad, who is in a nursing home not too far from where she is. So I just wanted to go ahead and spruce things up a little bit, make them feel a little bit more festive for the fall season. So hope you guys enjoy.
Goodbye, like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But
before I start decorating, I wanted to go ahead and tidy up and get some of the clutter out of the room. So over here she had pretty much just odds and ends. She had ordered some new books, and she had some books that she was going to be using at church. So I kind of just put everything in a box, and the way I like to declutter if I have a whole bunch of stuff is I just put everything in a box, and then when I have time I'll bring that box of stuff out. I'll sit down, go through it all, and I go through it until everything is put away. I don't get up and leave anything out until it's all put away. And since this is stuff that she's gonna have to look through and organize, I just went ahead and got it in a box for her so that she could do that whenever she had time. And I just wanted to get this little area cleaned up. This is where she sits and watches TV or reads, and so pretty much everything she needs on this little area, she does actually need, like, she uses every day. So I just wanted to get out some of the clutter and just have everything there readily accessible. You will notice her little pistol there, and she also has some wasp spray, and she may have some scissors and knives in there too. But like I said, my mama lives alone. She lives in the middle of the country, and I thoroughly believe in protection for hers, and she does too. So that's why her wasp spray is right there.
oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability.
Into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful
wanted to jump on here and say that this picture on this little side table is a picture of my mama in front of the house where she grew up. And so she's 72, I believe. So that house is still standing and it's still on my brother's property. But this picture really means a lot to us, that here she is standing in front of the house that she grew up in.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire.
I'm not sure if you noticed, but in the beginning of this video, when I was showing you the before, my son's toys were piled up kind of in the corner by the gas heater, and we were able to actually find a basket at Ross, and it was only $15.99 for this good sized basket. And I'm all about things being useful but looking nice too. So when we saw this, we thought it would be perfect to store his toys and of course the dog's toys in as well. And I also decided to switch the two tan chairs. The bulkier one just seemed to work better in that larger corner than the one up front. I also want to mention that all of the fall decor that we are using, we just picked up from Walmart. It was kind of like what was left over, and if you've seen my fall decorate with me, I did a flower arrangement on my table, and I pretty much got the same flowers I used on my table to use in her living room. Once we get to the couch area, you'll see we purchased some new cushions. We actually got those from Ross. So when we picked those up, we kind of knew what colors we wanted to use in here. And I tried to make the arrangement to match the cushions.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. scattered colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So this is the after of how her living room looks now. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I know it's a little bit late to be posting a fall decorate with me, but better late than never, especially when it's one of my very favorite seasons. I hope that you guys are enjoying fall wherever you are, and if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I'm so happy to have all of my new subscribers and everyone who have been here with me for the long haul, and I just hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye you guys!